my waves. So I have this set to 340. First, take this and pull the front of it back. And if I'm not looking at the camera, it's because my mirror is over in this area. Okay, so tiny section, twist, and just kind of pull straight down. This, because my hair is so short, doesn't curl as much, which is to be expected. I kind of go both ways with this and keep it off my head because it's hot. Underneath, I just kind of curl it under a little. Grab it, twirl it, and pull it out. See, I got more curls on this side. That always happens. Wait till later. One side will be way curlier than the other. And because I'm not really super good at this, I tend to curl these away from my face. So when I curl, I go this way. On this side, I tend to curl toward my face just because of how I'm used to doing it. Probably isn't much needed. So, tiny sections, twist, and just kind of pull. And then run my fingers through it to kind of break them up a little. And I have very little hair in the back. Like, super short. Okay, next section. Which I haven't done it sectioning my hair in forever. A lot of time I just move my hair out of the way and go. So anyway. Twist. Oh, then you get these little guys. Just kind of push your fingers through the back and just keep going all the way around. And I'll talk more about how to get them when I have longer pieces of hair. These hairs I don't worry about so much because they're super short. There. See, I can curl this side away from my face. I just usually don't because I'm just not used to it. But the more you twist, the more curl you'll get. Like this one. If you only twist it a little bit, like this guy, half a twist will only give you a little curl. Full twist or more. If you twist while you're pulling, continue twisting will give you more of a curl. But those hairs are short, so it doesn't matter. Just kind of break it up a little. Give it some volume. Now we're on the top part. Okay, so this is where it gets fun. Because this hair is longer, I take smaller sections, about this big, and twist a bunch and pull it right out. Then I kind of twist it around my fingers. This, so we get one of these little loopy things. Whoop, whoop. And twist them. And then I don't know why I keep going forward with them. So you pull down as you're pulling it out, it gets more of this shape. The ones around my face, I tend to curl back away so that they don't come in my face. So along my hairline, not my face, in my hairline. I curl it away. Do this. So we get these lovely little things. Oh yeah, this is a 1 inch, so their curls come out a little tighter. I have a 1.5 if I want more like loose waves. But it also matters the size of the section. Because if you have smaller sections, you can get more. You have more hair to curl. Oh, fun! Are you gonna go play with it? Yeah. This will go forward, but the last one we're going to do away from my face. Curl this. Then sometimes they don't lay right, which is kind of funny, but you know, whatever. Its hair does a mind of its own at times. Okay, so now that we've got them all, and now we're done. Just kidding. Okay, so now we take, just this kind of depends on what you do here. So if you want to keep your curls intact, don't separate them. If you want more waves, like I usually do, if you run your fingers through it more, it separates it and breaks the curl up, and they get wavy instead of being so curly. And this is the part when people put product in their hair. I tend to not put product in my hair because I don't really like the way it feels. So anyway, this essentially is how I do them. Of course, the one time I do it like this and show everybody, I don't like the way it turned out. So that's when I go back and I fix them. Like this guy right here, it's sticking up all weird. We're just gonna curl it different. Go back and fix the way that one's curled so it doesn't do that. And then get some of these straighter pieces and try to redo them so that they actually kind of blend better. So I feel like it doesn't blend as well as it should, or it's not blending like it should. Curl this different here. See, because then they just look funny. Anyway. So there, a wavy, curly mess of hair. And if you want to spray your curls so they stay all day, obviously, you can do that. Like I said, I don't, because I don't like the way it feels a day later. And now I've curled it too much and it won't curl. So don't over curl them, otherwise they decide to not curl at all, and then you get this. Which is totally my fault. And then, when they're too curly in my face that I don't like it, I'm going to straighten them back out a little. So they're not as curly. And they're more of a wave in your face. And actually, since I don't use spray, my hair holds curl, but throughout the day, they fall out a little. And they end up becoming more wavy than curly. Anyway, so. Anywho, this right here is essentially how I do my hair. Back, front, and this side. Okay, so, not sure if I like it so much, but this is how I do.